It's a new 2019 BMW 7 Series. BMW's flagship continues to be the beacon that all other full-size luxury sedans look to. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, comfort access key, power tilting steering column, automatic GPS linked and transmission, hands-free liftgate, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, and multi-zone climate control. Car and Driver proclaims, isn't just a car, it's a concierge, a four-wheeled passe part out. BMW, the ultimate driving machine. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.